Now, you're not going to see nothing in this picture, obviously. This is a question for you, wildlife, animal people. What in the world is making that whistling sound tonight? This is the second night I've heard it. I try to pair it up with stuff I find on the internet. The only thing that sounds like to me, which I don't think lives in my area, North Carolina, I think it's more up towards Canada and the upper U.S., is the fish cats. Can anybody tell me what this sound is? I'll be quiet and hopefully the noise around here will calm down so you can hear it.